I'm Zane Walt.
I'm Aiden Hockman.
Hold Okay, I'll be doing my speech over gun control and gun rights. Why is gun control an issue in today's society? Gun control is a very broad term that covers any sort of restriction on what kind of firearms can be sold and bought, who can possess firearms, or even how you may purchase firearms. In recent years, gun control debates have focused primarily on background checks for buyers, allowing people to carry weapons in public, and whether to allow the possession of assault rifles. Sometimes the term gun control has also used to cover other related matters. For instance, limits on ammunition and magazines. We already have laws that prohibit people from owning guns that have mental illness and criminal records, drug addicts, immigrants without legal status, veterans who left the military with a dishonorable discharge, and anyone with a permanent restraining order keeping them from a partner or a partner's child. Yet, we still have gun violence, gun crimes, and shootings. So obviously, taking away guns from those type of people hasn't cured the problem. Taking away guns from everyone would make problems worse and crime rates go even higher. The problem we face with gun violence is not the fact of the actual guns. It's the people operating and using the guns that are the problem. It's a simple fact. Most of all the gun owners are not out to harm humans with them. They use them for hunting and recreational uses only. That's why we should be stricter on ways to buy and purchase guns. Well, federal law requires that licensed gun dealers conduct a background check through a database run by the FBI to see if the customer is among those prohibited from owning a gun, but the system still has major holes in it. There are so many small-scale sellers across the United States that with this system it is too easy to bypass and get around. The law's provision on the mentally ill is extremely corrupt too. It prohibits gun possession by a person educated as a mental defective by a court or other authority. Most people with serious mental illness never receive such adjudication, and those who can do petition courts to have it reversed. Many mass shootings have been carried out by people who were recognized by those around them as being deeply disturbed, yet were able to own guns legally. It just goes to show that our system is corrupt and we need to change the way to purchase guns. Possibly a stronger background search or something to stop the small scale sellers. Taking away guns would not diminish guns. It would actually give more power to the small scale sellers. There are just too many other uses for guns that are helpful, like hunting, shooting sports, etc. That's why I personally disagree with totally outlawing and banning guns. It unarms innocent people that enjoy hunting and also leaves them with nothing to defend themselves with when something horrific happens, like a break in or whatnot. But I also can understand that creating a stronger background check would help and most likely lower crime rates. So, all in all, my opinion on this topic is that I'm strongly against gun control. It would do no justice to anyone. The crimes would go up and things would get scary. This speech goes to show some of the facts on gun control and how people can and will get them through our poor and corrupt background checks. Creating a stronger background check would stop the mentally ill and sketchy people, as some might say, from accessing and owning a firearm. Thank you.